Wipe your tears, take
So 14 years old pa lang tayo noon, di ba? Tapos nagpapakyut ka rin sa akin. Umuwi siya ng Ragay. Doon niya ako nakita sa church sa San Jose. High school pa lang kami. So, he asked me kung kailangan ko daw ng inspirasyon and you said na pwede namang ikaw. Pero dahil focus ako sa pagiging SSC student nung high school, sabi ko, ay, study first muna ako. So yun, we didn't see each other for years, but in 2017, God has brought us back together, and that was the beginning of our love story. Diba? Naalala mo, broken ako, broken ka din. Nung gabi na, pag uwi ko ng bahay, galing yung son, uy, may nag-chat. Tapos sabi ko, uy, Ake, kumusta ka na? Sabi niya, medyo tumaba-taba ka na ngayon, hindi ka tulad doon na napakapayat mo. Yun, doon, nag-chat siya sa akin.
Oh, we'll have a few
Alam kong sa 8 years natin mag-boyfriend and girlfriend, may mga pagkukulang akong hindi ang nagagawa, may nagagawa akong hindi dapat. Sa oras ko to, pinapangako kong babaguhin ko ang sarili ko na maging better person. Minsan nahihirapan lang talaga ako magsabi ng sorry, pero deep inside, yung parang gustong-gustong sabihin ng sorry.
It'll be hard, but you and me won't. When the waters rise and we face the fire, we'll rest in our foundation.
Panginoon, hayaan mo lahat na sa bawat pangako na kanilang iligtas. Tulungan mo sila na ito po ay gawin alang-alang sa pagbibigay ng paghatian sa iyong banal na pangalan.
Pilit ko namang pinaglalabanan yun na tuwing mag-aaway tayo na mas iniisip ko yung kung paano tayo magiging okay. Yung hindi ko pagsagot, yan. Kasi pag sumasagot ako, mas lalong lumalala yung sitwasyon. Kaya pinapangako ko sa oras na ito, sa mga taong nandito, magbabago ako para sa iyo, para sa ating Panginoon.
Thank you for loving me on my best days and staying with me on my worst. Sa 8 taon natin together, we've seen both the best and the worst in each other. May mga tampuhan, may mga away, pero at the end of the day, we still choose to love and stay. Ika nga, mag-aaway lang tayo pero hindi maghihiwalay.
The foundation of our family is based on love. Our hope, our strength in times of adversities and trials. We pledge our loyalty, trust, and commitment all the days of our lives under as a family. So help us, God.
But you and me won't. Oh, when it's time to say goodbye, we'll rest in our foundation.
Na makita nila ng pagsasamang pinasukan nila, Kristiyanong pagsasamang pinagbabalan. Panginoon. O Diyos, maghari ka, manwalhari ka sa kanilang buhay, Panginoon.
To you, me, and Jesus.
Softness and love that keeps going. Of love and happiness.
Okay, so Derek, you're a wife every day, kahit na darating yung panahon.
Kasi yung pastor si
Verse 15. If you love me, you will keep my commandments. day forward, you are my hope. And I'm excited to spend the rest of my days as your mommy love. And of course, as your wife.